In this video, I will show you how to install a short ram intake system of the 92 to 95 Honda Civic and the 93 to 97 Del Sol. Please make sure you have all the tools shown here before you proceed with the installation. First, we will need to remove the factory intake system. Let's begin by removing two 10mm bolts. Remove the stock intake pipe by wiggling it loose. Now disconnect the vacuum hose that's attached to the valve cover. Using a screwdriver, loosen the hose clamp. Now we're ready to remove the factory intake system. Next, we want to secure the silicone adapter to the throttle body using a hose clamp. With another hose clamp, attach the short ram intake piping and air filter assembly to the silicone adapter. Install the vacuum hose to the valve cover and intake piping. Thank you for choosing K2 Motor Videos to assist you. Please visit K2 Motor for more products.